Okay, Terra clay paint to redo these candlesticks that I thrifted. I'm using marigold orange, daffodil yellow, pistachio green. I did prep these candlesticks with Bonding Boss in clear because they were a glossy surface. So I'm just pouncing on the marigold and the daffodil. These two colors blend so beautifully together. I chose to do these two colors first because I just love the way they work together. Now I could, I pounce them and they blend together, and I could be done with these two colors and they'd be beautiful. I would love the way they look. But I want to use that pistachio green. So I'm going to let these dry for a couple hours, and then I'm going to come in with the pistachio green. Mix it with a little bit of water. That kind of reactivates the paint, so it helps blend it a little bit. And I'm not going for full coverage. I want to see that marigold. I want to see that daffodil underneath. So I'm just pouncing the pistachio on. Now, the pistachio is a very bright, bright green. But I'm making sure that I don't do 100% coverage. I want to be able to see that orange and that yellow underneath, so it looks like it's layered and aged. Oh, these colors are just so yummy. I absolutely love them. And I'm just pouncing using a natural chip brush. You want to use a natural bristle brush when you're working with clay paint. So I'm just using a chip brush, making it easy, and there's not a lot of thinking to it. There, I love the way it looks, but I'm going to seal it with satin clear coat. You can see how the satin clear coat soaks into the Terra. What that does is, Terra is a clay paint. It can be reactivated with water at any time. So you want to seal it. Let that sealer soak into the paint, and then it won't move. Okay, now I'm going to use Best Dang Wax in white. I want to soften that green. I want to give it a really soft hue. I love pistachio green, but I love it with the white wax over it. Now don't worry, I'm not going to leave it like this. Would be kind of cool to leave it like this, but I'm going to do something different. So I applied it. I'm using Dixie Belle's Bags of Rags, lint-free rags, and I'm going to buff it. And so it's going to soften the greens. It's going to soften those colors. It's going to give it a nice glow, and it's going to leave some white down in some of those recessed areas. But I love white wax, but I love it even more when I put brown wax with it. I'm using Best Dang Wax in brown, bringing out all the little tiny details in the recessed areas. I can still see the white wax. I can see the brown wax. These just go so well together. It's my new favorite thing to do. White wax and brown wax together. Absolutely love it. So I'm bringing out those details, making this look a little bit more authentically aged with all these layers of colors, with that white wax, now with that brown wax. It's just absolutely beautiful. I love it. I'm happy with how it turned out and can't wait to use it. See all those colors? Yummy. I absolutely love these. Okay, well, there we go. Nice, easy, quick project. And I'm going to be putting these in my living room. I absolutely love how they turned out. And pistachio green, marigold orange, and daffodil yellow in the Terra line just are three colors that are just absolutely gorgeous together. Hope you give this a try.